Hi, welcome to Ebert's Greenhouse Village. I'm Melinda Myers, a horticulturist and a gardener just like you. It's not surprising that hydrangeas are one of the most, if not the most popular shrub out there. Low maintenance, lots of varieties, and if you can't find a hydrangea you like, you need to look a little harder, and they have plenty of choices here. You're probably familiar with the Annabelle type hydrangeas with the big white flowers often grown in shade. They've improved them with Flowerful, which has sturdier stems and still those nice white blooms. Invincible Spirit 2 has pink blooms no matter your soil pH, flowers on new growth so you don't need to worry about winter kill, nice sturdy stems. Panicle hydrangeas are the ones with the cone-shaped flowers. Wonderful, full sun to part shade, wonderful blooms. Now you probably know limelight, that's huge with those chartreuse flowers that turn white and then pink. Well, now they've brought them down to size, so there's one for any size landscape. So you might want to check those out. Endless Summer series and the other repeat blooming hydrangeas, wonderful flowers, pink in our alkaline soil, blue in acidic soil, and they've really done a lot to improve that repeat blooming. You'll find Summer Crush growing on the grounds here at Ebert's, and it's thriving and doing well. Pop Star is more vigorous, earlier to repeat bloom, so one of them you should check out as well. If you've got a part shade area and you're looking for something unique, the oak leaf hydrangeas are beautiful. They have oak leaf shape, their leaves are shaped like oak leaves, and the flowers come mid-summer to late summer on old growth, but the fall color is incredible, and when the leaves drop, they expose an orange exfoliating bark, so 4 seasons of interest from this one. If you need a vine, the climbing hydrangea is gorgeous. Now be patient because it's in bloom here in the pot. Once it's put in the ground, it takes full sun, part shade. It takes a few years to get established before it starts blooming. Just like the oak leaf hydrangea, it has orange exfoliating bark, so once those yellow fall leaves drop off, you'll see those beautiful stems. And you'll get flowers about the middle to the 3rd week in June, climbing up a rough surface like a mason or brick or a wood support system as well. And the tree forms are very fun. Grafted about 3 or 4 feet high, you can find limelight, you can find quickfire, and also vanilla strawberry. So come visit Ebert's Greenhouse Village, check out all the selections. You're sure to find something perfect for your landscape.